All right, here's the music clip for the $300,000 system. If you have not seen the video, please go check it out first. Now, I recorded 20 tracks and maybe, as I mentioned, 3 are usable. Why? It's because I record this system with my usual settings, and when the bass kicks in, it distorts my my recording. I did record a few clips, so some are still usable. First song is Spanish Harlem. You're gonna hear the problem right away. If you pay attention to the vocal part, they sound pretty normal, but the dynamic range is just too big on these speakers. Second is a Chinese musical instrument song. We love testing these speakers with this song because, okay, I'm going to link the time to it. At that specific time, you will hear the bass and the instrument that produced that sharp sound there. It's going to play at the same time. And with a speaker like this, you can experience the both extremity. And it's an experience because, normal speakers can't do it. I've deleted out part of the songs because it's in Chinese. The rest of the song they don't have a lot of bass, so it was salvageable. Now, guys, you cannot take these music clips seriously. This is just for fun, and it cannot capture the magic of this system. But without music clip, it's just not as fun. And yeah, so enjoy.
There is a rose in Spanish Harlem, a red rose up in Spanish Harlem. For